Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a popular question. What's the easiest coding language to learn? There are tons of programming languages out there, each with its strengths and weaknesses. But when it comes to beginner friendliness, Python often takes the crown. Why is Python so easy? Well, it's designed to be readable and intuitive, almost like plain English. Look at this code, it's clean, concise, and easy to follow. It's like having a conversation with a computer, instead of trying to decipher a cryptic language. Python is also incredibly versatile. You can use it to build websites, create games, analyze data, automate tasks, and much more. Even with just a little bit of knowledge, you can create fun and practical programs like this simple calculator or even a basic text-based game. Of course, every language has its own learning curve, and there's no magic easiest language for everyone. But Python's clear syntax, extensive community support, and vast range of applications make it a fantastic starting point for your coding journey. Ready to get started? There are tons of free resources available online, like Code Academy, Khan Academy, and even YouTube tutorials like this one. Check out the links in the description to dive right in. Remember, learning to code is a journey, not a race. Take your time, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Happy coding!